Okay, I've been doing a bit more work on the LA120. I've identified some faults in the power supply. A 270 ohm resistor was measuring open about 280 mega ohm, so that was kind of wrong. There's a capacitor I don't trust. Those are right here next to J1. That's where resistor 1 was. And over here, next to that capacitor below that resistor, was where capacitor 16 was. I didn't trust those, so I removed those, and I have ordered replacements to Mauser. And here's the board. Everything is connected, but because of the components I removed for test, I have no plus or minus 12 volt rail, and the plus 5 volt rail is measuring about plus 4.7, which is going to be a bit less than the tolerance it's designed for. However, as you can see, the print head is all the way over to the left. If we go over here, flip the switch, heard the head move, look at it, and you can see that the head did move all the way across, as it was supposed to. Now, because there is a short in the circuit, I don't want to run it for very long, because a 10 watt resistor gets very hot, and I don't think it should get as hot as it does. But the fan still behaves. That resistor already smells funny. I'm not going to want to turn that back on again for quite a while. Or if I do, I want to put on a fan or something for it. Because it's designed to be there where a fan would go. I think that... yeah, it would cool that resistor. Although I think the fan is actually there to cool this stuff. But it does pass some basic tests, though. However, there is still no logic control. I wouldn't be getting anything on the serial line, and none of the diagnostic lights come up. There's no beep, nothing like that. So I still have some work to do. I will restart this video again once I have removed the top cover. Here is the entire mechanism exposed. Paper feed, which I think is controlled by this motor here, which I'm guessing would be controlled somewhere on the board. And then this motor here moves the print head across the sheet of paper. And moving it fast enough causes the ribbon to advance. Obviously, I'll eventually test that with that not moving by hand, but until then, I have to test that kind of stuff by hand. Oh, I've lubricated the shaft, so it moves much more smoothly than it used to. I haven't tested the keyboard yet, because I don't have any of the other control logic operational. But once I get the 12 volt supplies back and the 5 volt supply back to 5 volts, I should have something. And over there's the PDP-1144 I'm waiting to go pick up a power supply for. I even have the network controller for it. This is half of a Diona board set. Where's the model number for those that have their deck numbers memorized? Apologies about this. My eyesight's poor and I can't exactly see through my phone screen. Nor can I focus. There we go. I also have a RL11 controller. that would be a control an RLO2 or an RLO1, which are 20 megabyte and 10 megabyte respectively, I believe. But the main focus of this video is the LA120, which I have made progress on.